Have you ever wondered what the most dangerous diseases you've never heard of might be? Welcome to the unseen world of neglected tropical diseases, or NTDs. Despite their global grip, impacting over 1 billion people, these diseases often remain out of sight, out of mind. Lymphatic filariasis, onchocerciasis, also known as river blindness, schistosomiasis, soil-transmitted helminths, and trachoma, are some of the most common yet overlooked threats. Indeed, these diseases are the silent killers that lurk in the shadows. Now, let's dive into the grim details of these under-recognized health threats. Neglected tropical diseases, or NTDs, are a diverse group of communicable diseases that prevail in tropical and subtropical conditions. Among the most common are 5 that we'll delve into now: ascariasis, trichuriasis, hookworm, schistosomiasis, and lymphatic filariasis. Ascariasis, the most common NTD, is a parasitic roundworm infection that affects nearly 1 billion people worldwide. Its symptoms range from mild discomfort to severe malnutrition and growth retardation in children. These worms are usually transmitted via contaminated soil in tropical regions. Next up is trichuriasis, another soil-transmitted parasite. This whipworm infection leads to malnutrition and physical growth delays, particularly in children. It's most prevalent in areas lacking adequate sanitation. Hookworm, on the other hand, is a parasite that primarily affects the intestines, causing severe anemia and protein deficiency. This parasite is usually transmitted through skin contact with contaminated soil. Schistosomiasis, also called snail fever, is a disease caused by parasitic flatworms. Symptoms include abdominal pain and blood in the urine or stool. This disease is common in freshwater environments in tropical regions. Last, but certainly not least, is lymphatic filariasis, a parasitic infection that can lead to severe disfigurement and disability. It's transmitted through the bites of infected mosquitoes and is most prevalent in tropical and subtropical regions. The physical and socioeconomic impacts of these diseases are staggering. They not only cause severe health problems, but also contribute to poverty by limiting the ability of affected individuals to work and lead productive lives. As we can see, these diseases are not just health issues, but also barriers to economic progress and social development. So, what can be done to combat these neglected tropical diseases? The path to victory begins with early detection. By identifying these diseases in their infancy, we can stop them in their tracks before they take hold. Preventive measures are another powerful tool in our arsenal. Simple actions like clean water access, proper sanitation, and vector control can go a long way in preventing the spread of these diseases. But what happens when prevention fails and detection comes too late? That's where effective and affordable treatments come into play. With the right interventions, we can turn the tide against these diseases. However, we cannot win this battle alone. Global cooperation is vital, as is the involvement of local communities. It is only by working together, by pooling our resources and knowledge, that we can hope to defeat these neglected tropical diseases. Together, we can bring these neglected diseases out of the shadows and into the spotlight where they belong.